Look at this. This is my mama's famous 4-layer raspberry cream cake. She must have made this for her doctor. She does it all the time, but doesn't tell me because she doesn't want me to have any. But I'm gonna show you a trick that I perfected as a child, where you cut a slice and you push the cake back together so you can't tell. All right, you wanna cut right in the center, just like this. All right. Now let's pull this out. Oh gosh, oh my gosh, it's disastrous. Let me take this last little piece out of here. All right, then you just push this together like this. Oh man. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, just like that, there. I better make one as a replacement in case she notices. So we're gonna have to do this recipe today instead of the one that we were planning.